Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
What a wonderful
Today I'm gonna be doing a lounge underwear try-on haul. I got a lot of stuff for Valentine's Day for lounge, a lot of stuff. And I'm very excited to do this. This is my first try-on haul kind of video, which I've been wanting to do for so long. And I'm very excited that it's with lounge. So Valentine's Day is coming up, and what better reason to get yourself some cute underwear, not even for other people, just for yourself. So I got a lot of cute stuff, and I'm very excited to show you guys the stuff I got. I think it's gonna be very fun. And I actually do have a code for you guys as well. It's aaliyah 10. I'm gonna put it up here and also link it down in the description, so you can use that to get 10% off your order as well from lounge underwear. So now let's get started with the try on haul. So the first set that I have is this icon balcony green, emerald green set. It's so pretty. It's also underwired. I usually hate wearing underwired bras, but this one's actually really comfortable because it's not padded. It's like really nice material and stretchy material, and it's like this really pretty lace with the lounge like name on it all over, and it looks so good when you like actually wear it on your body. I love it so much. It also has these really cute cutouts at the back of the bra, and it just looks really good. And it comes with this matching thong underwear, and I love these like little lines on both the bra and the thong because it like gives it like this corset kind of feel to it, which I love. And yeah, that's the first set. I love this one a lot. The next one that I have is this royal balcony black set. This one is sexy, extremely sexy, makes me feel really sexy. It's also see-through lace, which is really cute, and it's also underwired, but again, it's super comfortable. I absolutely hate underwired bras, but these ones are really comfortable because usually underwired bras like poke into your skin, which I can't stand, but this is like really smooth. It has like this little like padding thing, so it's really smooth, and then it doesn't like stab you, which I love. And it has this really pretty like V cutout thing at the front, which is perfect for Valentine's Day. And it also comes with the matching black thong. I love that this has like a high-waisted thing, like if you pull it up to your hips, it makes your body like look super like curvilicious, and it's really nice. And the black thong again has the cutout at the back, like a little sexy lace number. We love that. The next set that we have is my personal favorite. I'm obsessed with this also because purple is my favorite color personally. It's so like royal and pretty looking. It's called the Blossom Balcony. I love this one so much. I've already worn it because I could not wait to wear it. Again, it's underwired, but again, super comfortable. It also just looks really flattering on you. I love how flattering this is on your body. It's like super feminine and curly and lacy, and I just love it. And it comes with this matching thong again, and the thong at the back has like a mesh thing, which is really cute, and it's lace in the front, so we love this. What I love about this thong as well, it's super flattering on your body. This is my personal favorite, and I'm very excited to have this because I've been wanting like a really pretty purple bra for the longest time, but I couldn't find one that I really liked, and this I love. The next set is the black mesh set. It is like this, and it's like completely covered at the top, and at the bottom it's see-through, so you have a little underboob moment going on, which is always cute. And it's super comfortable. This is actually really comfortable material. It's like really stretchy, so it's not like too tight, but it's like breathable, like extremely breathable, and the mesh also just makes it really cute. And I love wearing bras like this when I'm just chilling at home, because obviously when I'm at home I don't want to wear like a bra, but this is very comfortable to just like chill around in, lounge around in. I swear that was the first word that genuinely came in my mind. But it's just really comfortable to chill in at home, and it comes with this matching thong. And the thong also has a mesh moment going on at the top and at the back, which we obviously love. So that's the mesh set. We have the Ultra Comfort t-shirt set, which is actually really comfortable. And like I said before, I hate padded bras, but this one is like, I hate those like thickly padded bras. This one is like very like soft, so it's very comfortable. It has the Lounge logo at the back, which is also super cute. Another thing I love about this is that I'm a part of the itty bitty titty community, so I have really small boobs, and usually with bras I always have issues. The reason I don't like padded bras is because usually when I wear padded bras there's always like weird gaps and like weird cupping, and this actually fits me like very like snug. Like the fit is really comfortable, and it fits me like there's zero gapping. It like it's perfectly like sculpting, you know what I mean? It's like really comfortable, and I love this color so much. It also has like this ribbed material which looks really nice, and it comes with this matching like thong. From the front it's like kind of like a boxer brief kind of look, and then it's a thong at the back. This material is like really like soft. So that's the Ultra Comfort set. The next set is this bamboo triangle set. So this is actually a sustainable set. It's made from bamboo material, which I love. I love sustainable clothing. And the branded banner is also made by recycled fibers, which we love. This is also one of those sets that I love like lounging around in my house in. Like I will literally just wear this and the matching underwear, and it's so comfortable. The material is like really breathable. It's again like very stretchy, if you can tell. I also have this set in black because I love this one so much, and this comes with a matching thong underwear too. Also, the thing I love about the bands that Lounge has is that these are like these like fit your waist really well. Usually when I wear underwear with bands like this, there's like these like weird gaps on like the front part, but this fits me like really well. Like there's zero gaps, and it's just like it perfectly fits around my waist because it's so stretchy. So that's it for the stuff I got from Lounge, and that's it for the try on haul. Again, I do have a discount code for you guys. It's aaliyah10, and you can get 10% off, and you should definitely check it out because they have so many different styles. I got like more lacy, cute, like sexy stuff, but they also have like sporty stuff and simple clothes like I showed you, like these two for example, like really like simple and sporty. So they have something for everyone. Whatever you prefer, they will have something for you. And with Valentine's Day coming up, why not just feel sexy on Valentine's Day? Not even for other people, just for yourself. Just feel like, get some cute underwear to feel good about yourself and feel confident. And honestly, these sets, like I've already worn some of them and they make me feel super confident and super like hot. Self-love, you know what I mean? So just get some cute sets, and I have a discount code. It's all going to be linked in the description. The link to their website and everything is going to be in the description, so you should definitely check it out. And let me know if you do order stuff and just feel good. I hope you guys enjoyed this Lounge try on haul. If you did, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.